Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about the cosmos that you probably didn't know. Prepare to have your mind blown wide open as we explore the vast expanse of space and uncover its hidden wonders. From the eerie silence of the void to the scorching temperatures of Venus, get ready to embark on an unforgettable cosmic adventure. Let's get started! Have you ever wondered what it sounds like in space? You might imagine the roar of rocket engines or the hum of distant starships, but in reality, space is utterly silent. That's right, complete and utter silence. Why? Because sound waves need a medium to travel through, like air or water. And guess what? Space is a vacuum, meaning it's almost entirely devoid of matter. So, those epic space battles in the movies? Yeah, they'd be eerily quiet in real life. When you think of the hottest planet in our solar system, you might picture Mercury, the closest to the Sun. But that honor actually belongs to Venus. You see, Venus has this incredibly dense atmosphere, about 90 times thicker than Earth's. And what's it mostly made of? Carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and sending temperatures soaring to a scorching 867 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. Here on Earth we take for granted that a day is shorter than a year. But on Venus, things get really strange. One rotation of Venus on its axis, its day, takes a whopping 243 Earth days. But here's the kicker. Venus takes only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Its year. That's right, a day on Venus is actually longer than its year. Talk about a long day at the office. When you look up at the night sky, you might see thousands of twinkling stars. But that's just a tiny fraction of what's out there. In fact, there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Try to wrap your mind around that. We're talking about billions upon billions of galaxies, each containing billions upon billions of stars. The sheer scale of the universe is truly awe-inspiring. Our sun is a mighty star, the center of our solar system and the source of life as we know it. But did you know just how massive it really is? Get this. The sun is so vast that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside of it. That's right, 1 million! It gives a whole new meaning to the phrase big and bright. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, as they say. But what about a planet made of diamonds? Believe it or not, it exists. This dazzling world, known as 55 Cancri E, orbits a star about 40 light-years away from us. And here's the best part, it's twice the size of Earth and boasts a mass 8 times greater. If we could ever get our hands on this celestial treasure trove, it would make the Hope Diamond look like a speck of dust. Back in 1969, Neil Armstrong took one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind when he became the first human to walk on the moon. And those iconic footprints he left behind? They're still there today, almost completely unchanged. You see, the moon has no atmosphere to speak of, which means no wind or rain to erode those historic impressions. Barring any unforeseen cosmic events, they'll remain untouched for millions of years to come, a testament to humanity's adventurous spirit. Ever wonder what it would be like to live on Mars? Well, one thing's for sure, your days would be a bit longer. A day on Mars, known as a sol, is just a tad longer than an Earth day, clocking in at 24.6 hours. So you'd have almost an extra 40 minutes to catch up on some sleep or explore the Martian landscape. We've got mountains here on Earth, and then we've got Olympus Mons on Mars. This monstrous shield volcano dwarfs anything our planet has to offer. How big are we talking? Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the highest peak on Earth. In fact, it's so massive that it covers an area roughly the size of Arizona. Now that's one gigantic volcano. Neutron stars are some of the densest objects in the known universe, formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. And when it comes to spinning, they take the cosmic cake. These stellar remnants can rotate at mind-boggling speeds, some whirling around hundreds of times per second. Imagine that, an object spinning so fast that it makes a complete rotation in just a fraction of a second. It's enough to make your head spin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these fun facts about space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and we're just getting started. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the cosmos.